Yo, what's up guys? My name is JT and we are yet again going to the train show in Albuquerque, right here on Model Railroad in Southwest. So it is a beautiful November morning. It's about 8 o'clock right now and 27 degrees, nice and cold. I love the cold weather. So we're going to the train show and we've been there for the past few years. A lot of good fun and a lot of good people out there. So today I'm looking for a couple of things. One of them is the Athearn U50 with DCC and sound. Hopefully Spring Creek has it. If not, well, I'll buy something else. Another thing I'm looking for are the Santa Fe high-level El Capitan cars. I'm looking for those too. I want to build a nice train with those. So let's see if they have them. If not, I'll find some other things. Also, I'm meeting a buddy there, so you guys will get to meet him later when we get there. So let's quit talking and get on the road and go to the show.
So we support our youth group by participating here at the train show today. Also direct your attention to the N-scale Disneyland display along the north wall. There's a complete model of Disneyland with many active participant items, rides, helicopters landing on the skyscraper hotels and so forth. Make sure you see that. And right in the middle of the building, the Albuquerque Society of HOA.
heard you guys, so I came over here and ran into my buddy Micah. So here he is.
Hi everyone. It's a good show.
We're having pretty good fun here, so we'll see you guys in a bit.
The reviews on the food from Cecilia's Cafe on Wheels are now unanimous. The burritos are good. They're offering sausage breakfast burritos, bacon burritos, chicken quesadillas, Frito pies, and the ever popular green chili cheeseburger. That is our food vendor today, Cecilia's Cafe on Wheels. Please let them know you appreciate them coming out. And go visit them and order. Door prize ticket ending 3076. You have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. Door prize ticket ending in 3076.
Okay, so we're back from the show. That was a great time. We spent about 3 hours there. That's a lot of time for a small train show. There was a ton of stuff, ton of vendors, and a lot of cool layouts and a lot of good people. Speaking of good people, I spoke to the guys at Spring Creek Model Trains once again. They are good people, really friendly. I spoke to the owner's son for about maybe 10-15 minutes. Really good guy, always willing to have a conversation. And I talk to him every time I see him at a show. Everybody there that works for that company is really nice, really friendly, and knowledgeable. So if you guys don't know what you're looking for, or you don't quite understand something, go talk to them. They are really friendly, and they are willing to explain stuff to you. And if they don't have it there at their booth, they'll point you to the direction of their website and they'll have it there. Other than that, they also have very good prices. I'll show you something that I bought from them here in a couple seconds. Another thing, you guys got to meet my friend Micah. I got to meet him for the first time at the train show. We spoke to each other for like maybe about 8 or 9 months. He's from Albuquerque, which is pretty cool. And we just got to talking, and then away we went. We became very, very good friends. So let's get on to this stuff right here. I got all of this stuff for an incredible price. You guys are not going to believe the prices I got these for. Can you guess how much I spent per car? I'll give you a second. Nope, that's not how much it was. Nope, that's not it either. These were $5 each. Can you believe that? $5. I went up to the booth and the guy says, take what you want, $5 a piece. I was like, what? I went and looked in the box and I was like, holy smokes, look at all this stuff. I found all of these Santa Fe reefers, a couple of Union Pacific Fruit Express cars, and a bunch of those Santa Fe box cars, along with this other box car right here that I really don't know I don't know. I think it's Merchant's Dispatch. I'm not really familiar with that. But anyway, I got that for another reefer train that I'm starting to build. It's kind of like, a bunch of different stuff. But I am trying to build a really big Santa Fe reefer train. I already have a massive collection of Union Pacific Fruit Express cars. I have about 32 of them right now. It's probably not that big, but to me it is, because I don't even think it's going to fit on the entire layout. But I have some more cars coming from trains.com. There are another set, a 6-car set of the Santa Fe reefer cars. I'll have around maybe 22, 23 of those right now. But I cannot believe that I got these for $5 a pop. It's just incredible. There's some of them that are like, I think there's a couple of them that are MTH. Most of them are blue box, but they are not blue box. They are ready to roll, but they have so much detail. They all have KD couplers, and they all have the brake lines. It's just incredible that I was able to get these for that price. It was a steal. I wanted to buy the entire booth. So let's get on to the other thing that I got. So this is the engine that I got from Spring Creek Model Trains. Got it for $288, which is not bad. Let's see what it is. This is a brand new SD70ACe from Athearn Genesis and Tsunami 2 Sound, painted in the Ferrero Mex paint scheme. I hope I said that right. This engine is from Old Mexico. I have seen these with BNSF and Union Pacific, and I love this paint scheme. I think it's gorgeous. I think they did a phenomenal job in designing this paint scheme. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. All right, let's see. Oh, there's the stuff I got from Spring Creek Model Trains. Can you see that? That just jumped out at me. All right, let's see what it is. Man, I love these Athearn Genesis boxes. Every time I see them, I just love the way they look. All right, so let's go ahead and lift this case open. All right. Bunch of stuff there. And there it is. Man, I love this engine. I went and tested it at my mom's house before we left back home to make sure it worked, because I didn't want to get home and this not work. I always take a little power pack and some track to test trains out, just in case I need to go back the next day to return it, or have something done with it. Anyway, let's take this out to the train layout, see it run with those other cars. Incredibly non-prototypical, so a lot of you guys are probably not going to like that. So let's see how it looks, and we'll see how it goes. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Ran the engine and the cars a couple of times around the layout for you guys. Engine looks great, sounds great, typical of Athearn Genesis. The cars ran flawlessly, had no derailments, no issues whatsoever. Very happy about that. It's always a great time when you don't have to fix stuff when you're running trains. If you guys like what you saw, please like and subscribe. Plenty of train shows in the future. Lots of pre-orders coming in very soon, and reviews are coming soon, so please stick around for that if you guys are interested in that. So if you guys have any comments, please put it down below. If you have something long you want to send me an email. I'm always happy to respond and always happy to answer your comments and questions. So guys, that's pretty much it. Talk to you later, take care, and keep it between the rails.